Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions. With another new video. Today I will show, how can we download or update the latest Zoom version for 2021. To ensure that you are able to benefit from the latest Zoom version, it is important to know how to update your Zoom app. This video I will show 2 handy ways to do this. Number 1. Download latest Zoom apps from the Zoom official website. zoom.us/download. You can see the latest version here and click on download. After complete download, we need to install this latest update version Zoom apps on your computer. Zoom installation process starting. After completely install this app running automatically, and we can check this app's version. In new version, we found many new interesting feature. We can see installation complete. And after a few seconds, Zoom starts automatically. This is Zoom's latest version with the full feature. Step number 2, if your Zoom apps was an old version, click on your profile and select Check for Update. If your Zoom not updated, then Update starting. And, if your Zoom apps update, then it shows you are up to date. For more details, you can visit the Zoom official site for a regular update and feature. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.